Welcome to my channel. When it comes to the shallots, overall it's pretty minimal prep. Go ahead and remove all of the outer skin of the shallot, cut off both ends, and then go ahead and prep up the shallot. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut the shallot down in here, almost like I'm butterflying the shallot. And then I'm cutting down into the shallot. And that will make it so that way when I now cut the shallot, I have simple minced shallot. So on a shallot that's a bit thicker, I'll cut it like I'm butterflying it twice. Cutting a shallot can be simple, right? So we're just going to take our shallot. We're going to cut opposite of the stem. Now I'm going to ever so slightly cut that shallot so I can just remove this outer skin. So I'm going to leave the stem intact. I'm going to cut the shallot in half. And the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cut into the shallot, following the natural curvature of the shallot. And I'm cutting close to the stem, but not all the way. Now mincing this is going to be really easy. And there you have the minced shallots.